Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Tapo C120 Wi-Fi home security camera, a smart, reliable way to keep your home safe and secure. It delivers stunning 2K QHD clarity and full-color night vision, so you never miss a detail, even in the dark. With advanced motion detection, two-way audio, and easy Wi-Fi setup, it keeps you connected and in control of your home anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tapo C120 security camera, DC power adapter, and cable, mounting screws, mounting template, quick start guide, technical specifications. The Tapo C120 features a 1/2.9-inch progressive scan, Starlight CMOS sensor with a 3.17mm lens, f1.65 aperture, and a 120-degree diagonal field of view. It records sharp 2K QHD 2560 by 1440 video at up to 20 frames per second with 12 times digital zoom. Night vision uses dual 850 nanometers and 940 nanometers IR LEDs up to 30 feet, plus full-color night vision. On the interface, you get a convenient reset button, plus a micro SD slot that supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Video is H.264 compressed with 3 DDNR and WDR. Live view is supported. It includes a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio with noise cancellation and a 96 decibel siren. There's a reset button and micro SD slot, up to 512 gigabytes, with optional TapoCare cloud storage and snapshot alerts. AI detection covers motion, person, line crossing, baby cry, vehicle, pet meow, bark, and glass break, with customizable activity zones. Connectivity is via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, IEEE 800 2.11b/G/N, with strong security, on-device ML, 128-bit AES, SSL/TLS, and WPA/WPA2PSK. Powered by a 5-volt Type-C adapter, it works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and operates from -20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius in a compact design. Product features. The Tapo C120 captures footage in 2560 by 1440 resolution, giving you sharper and more detailed video compared to standard 1080p cameras. Faces, license plates, and small movements appear clearer, and the 12 times digital zoom lets you focus on specific areas without completely losing image quality. Even in low-light conditions, the camera can deliver full-color video, helping you identify important details like clothing colors or vehicle paint. It also includes dual infrared LEDs with up to 30 feet of range for reliable black and white night monitoring when needed. The built-in AI can detect motion, people, vehicles, pets, baby cries, and even specific sounds like barking, meowing, or glass breaking. Customizable activity zones allow you to monitor only selected areas, reducing false alerts and making notifications more accurate and useful. With a built-in microphone and speaker, you can talk to family members, delivery drivers, or even warn intruders directly through the camera. Noise cancellation ensures clearer conversations, and the powerful 96 decibel siren adds an extra layer of active protection when needed. Product overview. The Tapo C120 offers complete home security, featuring a high-definition lens flanked by powerful white light LEDs for vivid color night vision. Its front panel includes a multifunctional system LED for status updates and a high-sensitivity microphone to capture every sound, while the built-in speaker enables seamless two-way communication. Powering the device is a modern USB Type-C power port, and tucked behind a protective cover, you'll find the reset button and a micro SD card slot for convenient local recording. Designed for ultimate flexibility, the adjustable stand allows you to tilt and rotate the camera to perfectly adjust your view for the ideal angle. App connection. Start by downloading the free Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log into your existing TP-Link account or create a new one to get started. In the app, tap Plus to add a new device. Select the Tapo C120 Wi-Fi home security camera and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network and sync it with your phone. After pairing, the app will confirm the indoor cam is connected. You can then customize settings, test the live video feed, enable motion detection alerts, and try two-way audio to make sure everything works properly. How to install. Select an indoor position that gives you a clear, wide-angle view of the room, such as a living area, hallway, nursery, or entry point. Avoid placing it directly facing bright windows or reflective surfaces, as glare can reduce image clarity. Make sure the location is close to a power outlet and within strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi range for stable performance. If you prefer not to drill, simply position the camera on a flat and stable surface, like a shelf, desk, or countertop. Ensure it sits securely to prevent vibrations or accidental movement. Adjust the tilt and angle carefully so the lens captures the most important areas without obstruction. For a more permanent setup, use the included mounting template to mark the screw positions accurately. Drill the holes, insert the anchors if needed, and secure the mounting screws firmly. Attach the camera to the mount and fine-tune the viewing angle to achieve the best coverage of your space. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Tapo C120 delivers higher resolution 2K QHD video, 2560 by 1440, for sharper, more detailed footage, while the Wyze Cam V4 records in 1080p Full HD, still clear but less detailed. Both offer color night vision, but the C120's dual IR LEDs with up to 30-foot range give you more reliable low-light performance in very dark conditions. Tapo C120 includes a broader range of AI-powered detections such as motion, person, vehicle, pet, baby cry, meow, bark, line crossing, and glass break triggers, along with customizable activity zones to reduce false alerts. The Wyze Cam V4 focuses on motion and person detection with activity zones, plus basic sound alerts depending on setup. This makes the C120 more versatile for advanced monitoring. Both cameras support two-way audio so you can listen and talk through the app. However, the Tapo C120 also features a built-in 96 decibel siren to help deter unwanted activity, while the Wyze Cam V4 offers standard two-way talk with alert notifications, but no dedicated high-volume siren. Pros and cons. The Tapo C120 offers sharp 2K QHD video with full-color night vision and advanced AI detection for motion, people, pets, vehicles, baby cries, and sounds, plus customizable activity zones. It includes 12 times digital zoom, two-way audio, and 96 decibel siren, micro SD storage up to 512 gigabytes, strong encryption, and support for Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. However, it supports only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, records up to 20 frames per second, lacks RTSP/ONVIF, and pan/tilt, requires wired power, needs a subscription for some cloud features, isn't weather rated, and doesn't support a smart hub. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.